Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back. So we've got a Losi Nightcrawler SE. Came in the mail today. I love new toys. Yesterday it was just a little baby devil, but today we got a big crawler. Anyhow, so I like crawlers, and this is apparently a competition crawler. I've seen these things out on the market for a while, not this particular version of it though. And none of them really turned my crank any. I was kind of like, yeah, you know. But then I saw this and I'm like, oh, I gotta have that. I have a shirt that kind of pretty much matches it. But anyways, let's get this thing out of here. So I got this at Great Hobbies. For those of you who watch my videos that know I'm from Canada, well, Great Hobbies is in Ontario. Not too far from me. Oh, we got box holes up here. Alright. Let's peel this off. Ooh, brand new. Love it. Okay, so here's our main truck. This thing actually looks kind of cool. Oh, is it ever... Oh, man.
Flexible.
Flex days, man.
Hey.
What we got here? TSL. Super Swampers. Nice. Not bad. They're not too soft, but not too stiff. This thing actually has bead locks on it, too, which is kind of cool. I like that. Wow, that's alright. So, it's got a light bar under here, it's got a light bar up here, it's got a light bar back here. We've got rock lights all over the place underneath. I mean, this thing is like a Christmas tree. I actually watched the guy's video, and he's in one of those sewer drains, and it looked like a little alien bug. Because being all lit up because the body shell glow. We are going to do a night video for you guys, hopefully tonight with any luck. I do have to change the ESC plug on this because it's like an EC3 or something, and yeah, I wasn't going to waste a pile of money on a battery just for that plug. And besides, I like Dean's or Traxxas, so I'll probably throw a Traxxas plug on this one. But it does have scale accessories that actually can come out. You can just pull them, they unclip, they come out. Little gas can on the back. Got a little package here of some stuff. Oh, look at this. We got a jack. I gotta open this. I need a knifey. I gotta check this stuff out. So what did I pay for this thing? Like $400 or something? Yeah, it's about $400 plus tax. Free shipping from Great Hobbies, which is cool. So this is definitely fake, which is kind of fine. I actually have a working one like this. I don't know where the heck you're gonna mount this thing though. We'll figure that out. Anyway, so we got some Allen keys. We got a big wheel wrench key. That's actually bigger than what we normally get. That's kind of cool. A bind plug. Serious business here. Anyways, we got some double A's for the remote. The only thing it doesn't come with is a regular battery. Like, why not? You know, it'd make life simple. Oh, that's a fake winch. I do not know where to put this. I guess I'll have to read the book and see where they suggest, and maybe I'll mod this thing and put a real winch on it. Because nothing beats a real winch. So it does have plastic links. They seem to be pretty thick. I think durability will be a good thing. I mean, should be anyway. Oh yeah, this is the one where it's got that, I think it's a worm gear system or something. I ain't gonna push my luck. Steel drive shafts, which is kind of cool. That's alright. And receivers up front. Metal bodied shocks. Cool. Slip adjustable system. These are actually cool. You just undo the Allen screw a little bit and slip it to where you need it. take a measurement and do the other ones the way you want them. I'm not sure about the servo. Can't remember how many kilograms the servo was. But if it's too wussy, we'll order one in. That's no big deal. Basic manual. Cool. Liking that. This should be our radio. This is the STX2 radio system. Kind of a plasticky wheel. Like, Losi, come on. Really? Rubberized wheel would have been nice. Kind of feels alright. Feels a little cheapy, but still feels alright. Got a battery compartment pretty easy. See, what do we get here? We get steering rate, throttle rate, throttle limiter. So if you're a beginner, 50%. If you're a little more gutsier, 75. If you really love things, go 100. Throttle and steering reverse, throttle trim, steering trim. Kind of cool. Just really not fussy on, I don't know, I can get used to that for a while. I'll probably upgrade it to a better radio system down the road anyhow. But it comes with it, and that's kind of a good thing, because I want ready to run, right? So anyhow, you do have 2 scale drivers in here. They don't leave you a lot to mod in this thing. I mean, links, yes, you definitely would want to replace these links with metal ones. The bead locks actually look kind of cool. I think those I would leave. Was actually metal? I don't know. Probably. We'll find out. But nice. Hey, I should be able to use these on the TRX. I could try super swampers out this way on the TRX and not have to buy a set yet. If I don't like them, I don't buy them. I find something different. Didn't thought of that. That's about the same size of tire. Yeah, looks like it. Now we'll run the Losi first the way it is. We'll screw with tires later. But anyways, guys, I think it's a pretty cool little buggy, you know, or crawler, whatever you want to call it. ESC's at the back. That's actually kind of nice. That is really like, that's flex, man. Like that is some serious flex. Come on, push it, come on, push it.
Oh.
Yeah, that is definitely some serious flex. This is not my first crawler, but what I would consider to be my first real comp crawler. I had a Red Cat RS10 several years ago. Really loved that truck, and had a lot of fun with it actually. I ended up, stripping it down for parts I wanted to keep in the end, and then sold the rest off. But just Red Cat at the time, they were really expensive for their parts, and I really didn't like that. I mean, the parts for this are way more reasonable, and it's also Losi. And I've owned a Losi product before. I had a short course truck. It's actually on my channel. And Losi too used to be a little on the pricey side for parts, but now they're becoming a lot more reasonable. But I wanted a really cool, to me, cool looking comp crawler. I had not expected to find, something that I'd really like that already had like lighting kits all over the place. I mean, I don't mind putting lights in, but it's kind of nice that everything comes with it. Apparently too, when you take the body off of this thing, you got to watch it because the lights are plugged in the receiver, and if you yank too hard, you might have a problem. So I'm going to actually put a lengthening servo wire on. I have some coming in, and then this way I don't have to worry about accidentally going, But yeah, she looks good. She's got tons of flex. I am definitely leaving the suspension stock for the initial run or two. I love these super swampers. My wife actually got super swampers with her Red Cat Gen 8, and they're actually just a little bit thicker, a little bit stiffer compound too, mind you. And I really like them. So But these are kind of cool. I really, wow, that's nice. Anyways, I got to get out of here because I have to go chop to this thing and get a battery connector on here and charge my batteries. We haven't even recharged our batteries since the last time we were out crawling, so we've got about 15 hours or more of charging to do. We have a lot of batteries. Not a lot, now. But we do have 2 chargers, and I think I'm going to order a 3rd charger, and I got to order some more batteries tonight anyway, so I got to go online and do that because I do want a specific battery or 2 just for this thing. But anyways, guys, that's all I got for you for now. Stay tuned for the night run. Hopefully tonight. If not, do it tomorrow night, as long as it ain't raining outside. But even if it is, who cares? I think this thing is waterproofed anyway, so, you know, away you go. See ya.